how to turn on or off backlight on smart TV. And okay guys, you'll have to do first is go to menu on your remote. Here in menu, okay, you can see the option. Okay, go to settings. In settings, in picture, okay, go to this. And now you can see below the picture mode settings. Okay, go to picture mode settings. And now you can see the option again and select the backlight. And now you can set the overall luminance of the screen. Please note that changing picture settings could increase energy consumption. And okay, you'll have to do is go to backlight. And the backlight is set and to off. To set to on, you'll have to do is select the on button and click. And now, the backlight is set and to on. And if you want to turn off again, just select the off and click. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on or off the backlight of my smart TV.